I keep blowing 15 amp fuse on my Raptor 42 inches mower. I have already replaced my Pro switch but still blowing fuse every time I engage PTO.
What's the brand and model of your lawn mower? How old is it?
Model number 931741, serial number 14070745, Hustler Raptor.
How long has this been going on with your lawn mower? What have you tried so far?
Just started yesterday, have replaced PTO switch and traced wiring for grounded wiring, found nothing.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No ma'am, mower head ran well, all pulley were replaced on deck about a month ago.
Hi, my name is Me. Review the issue, and I will be more than happy to help resolve it as quickly as possible. I will return in under 5 minutes. Is machine run fine until you engage the blades?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.